Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? Well, it's the start of a new week, and if you saw the thumbnail and you saw the losses that I took, we're going to go into that on my portfolios towards the end of the video, and why I'm not concerned about the steep losses in the past few days or weeks, to be concerned, to all things considered. We do have some new Ethereum news on the merge, why Coinbase may be halting deposits and withdrawals on the date of the merge and sometime going forward as well. We'll take a look into that, and of course, you know I like the metaverse. We've got another article on the top metaverse stocks to buy in the next 5 years. So, with all that in mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right to it. Thank you once again for joining me, and to all my new subscribers. Before we get into the news, I just want to let you guys know my name is Cosmo. I do all things creating, trading, and gaming. I do 2 videos a week, usually on Mondays and Tuesdays. I've had some couple issues with my gaming videos, but all of that should be resolved shortly, so look forward to that. Please make sure, if you like this type of content, please be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video on your social media. And with that, let's go to the news. Alright, at the top of the news, we are talking about Coinbase. Coinbase plans to halt Ethereum deposits and withdrawals during the merge. Basically, the article goes into, to create a smooth transition, they will halt all deposits and withdrawals on the date of the merge, and for those that are staking Ethereum, you may not have access to your funds until next year. So this is kind of, I don't know how to feel about this. I do think that this is kind of manipulation, really, because if Ethereum pops real high during the merge and a couple weeks going forward, and it skyrockets to 10,000 or whatever, people are going to want that money. And with them locking that, they're basically going to ensure that they basically don't collapse, because people are withdrawing huge amounts of money and causing the exchange to collapse. So I do get that, as far as maintaining a kind of a smooth transition, so people just aren't depositing and withdrawing and causing the whole blockchain to collapse or whatever. But this is some kind of concerning news, but we're in it for the long haul, so regardless, it doesn't matter. I'm looking for 2 to 5 years down the road, so not really impacted by this, but it's good to know. It's good information that you should be aware of. So if you have Coinbase and you are staking your Ethereum, just know that you will not have access to it. You may not be able to deposit it or withdraw probably until sometime 2023. And we have a new article on the metaverse. 3 cryptocurrencies that will rule the industry in the next 5 years. And of course, here we are. I'm not too familiar on Clangverse, but it's basically a music streaming crypto. Where you can stream music. Right here is a decentralized music sharing platform that utilizes blockchain technology to ensure fair compensation for artists via a transparent and reliable payment system. I'm not sure how this is going to go over, but the main thing that I want to get out of the article is, of course, the 2 big dogs, Sandbox and Decentraland. So they're continuing to support these 2 major projects. So as long as these are still headlining the news and the momentum is there, we can look for these in the future. That's why I'm continuing to support these 2 projects. So I'll continue to dollar cost average into them, and hopefully in a few years we'll see some payoff. And as far as the stock market is concerned, we saw a big pullback Friday and Monday. We're seeing kind of a stagnant day today, but the CEO of JP Morgan says something worse than a recession could be on its way. And the article goes on to say that there could be the probability of a hard landing, or even something as stagflation, could be as much as 20 to 30%. It goes on to say the JP Morgan CEO now believes that a mild recession has a 20 to 30% possibility, with a severe recession has the same odds due to increased Fed rates, quantitative tightening, oil stocks, the conflict in Ukraine, and escalating U.S. tensions with China. So again, there are people out there. There are analysts. There are YouTubers. Some say that the stock market is completely oversold, that the S&P could fall as much as 50% just to level out the inflation. My take on that is, if you're dollar cost averaging, it's not going to matter. Yes, you will see some severe losses, which takes me into my other point. You noticed on my losses, I can pull up my portfolios. Here we have more portfolios. I just pulled it up, and as you can see, from August 14th, we were doing really well, 65%. We were at 51.96. And of course, if we go into this week, which these are numbers from before Monday, the start of the week, as you can see, we dropped down severely. I lost about $745. The majority of that is due to Ethereum's pullback, so I'm not real concerned about that. As long as it continues to find that support at 1500, I do think Ethereum, it's a volatile asset. Crypto is volatile. I did lose some money on the S&P, and stocks had a major pullback. Monday was the worst stock day since June, so you're gonna see some pullback. But the point of this is, if you continue to dollar cost average, the market will recover and your portfolios will recover as well. So going forward, you can see I am down. I'm back down to 44.51, back down to 56%, still above halfway there, which is still good. And I expect this to turn around shortly. I mean, it may not happen this week, but going forward, I do think we'll finish out third quarter and maybe possibly fourth quarter a little bit better. And by dollar cost averaging, I do still believe I can reach that $8,000 goal, and I'm looking forward to that. However, I do see a recession coming, and I do see the beginning of 2023 could be really rocky. So just prepare for that. But if you're dollar cost averaging in your major assets, if you have an ETF, if you're in the S&P, or if you're into crypto, even crypto, because crypto and the stocks are completely correlated. So if the market does bad, crypto will do bad too. But when the market recovers, crypto is going to recover as well. I do not believe crypto is a hedge right now on the market. Crypto is not a safe haven if the stock markets fall. Keep that in mind. Both are going to fall together. But that being said, now is the time when prices are cheap, and they could go down cheaper. You will come out looking much better if you keep investing on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, however you want to do it. If you keep investing every paycheck, whatever you can afford, and 20, 30, doesn't have to be much. Click the links down below. Sign up for Stash or Robinhood. Get $20 in free stock. Or if you want to go in with crypto, you can sign in with Gemini or Coinbase. The links are in the description. You can sign up with those and get $10 for every $100 you trade in crypto. And that's all I got for this week, guys. Please stay tuned for my gaming videos. We will get involved in that hopefully within the next day or two if I have time. And I appreciate all that have stayed with me and followed me on this journey. We will reach that $8,000 goal, and then we can set a new goal and reach higher highs. Thanks for watching. Peace.